together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay guys, before we go fully into this video, I must say a big thank you to you guys for sharing your trading results with me. Yesterday's trading analysis was amazing, and I really want to say thank you to you guys, because you guys took advantage of the market and you were able to milk the market successfully. I only hope that more people can also start taking advantage of these opportunities so that they too can start making some good amount of profit for themselves. Okay, so right now we will be going into another edition of it. If you are joining me live and direct, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is Qora Digital Cash, and of course it is a platform where we use where we usually analyze the market. We check out a way of making the best strategy of making money online through forex trading. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out some of these assets, and of course I will be reviewing, I will be doing the analysis on them so that we know what to go for whenever we are trading. But if you are not joining me in live and direct at the moment, then you will have to have a recheck on the chat whenever you are seeing this video before you can move on with the trading analysis. But for those of you that are willing to make up to $500 per day, of course it is possible. So many of us are already doing this, and of course all you just need to do is just to make sure you have enough trading capital and follow the instructions. Okay, so once you are doing this, then definitely you will be able to make up to or even more than $500 daily. Okay, so this is very possible. But for those of you that are having small trading capital, you can also grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. You do it gradually, just the way others have been doing, and of course gradually they were able to get to this level where each and every one of us are at the moment. Okay, so you too can also do the same thing. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, just the way we are seeing it right from here. For those of you that are having the 3M trend milker trading indicator, most especially those of you that saw my videos in the morning, you should have milked the market successfully, because it started a downtrend in the morning and it got to this region and it pulled back. And I told you, if it's unable to go beyond that, then definitely it will try out this support zone again. Once it breaks out below it, it will sell more. You can see it sold more till it got to this region, and right now it's trying to go back on buy trend. It got to this resistance, so it pulled back. If it's unable to go beyond this, then definitely it will try out this resistance zone again to see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then it will be targeting this middle line right from there. So this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. Let's check out boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, played around there for a very long time, and of course right from there it broke out around here and it went straight on uptrend, got to this region, pulled back, and it's of course tried it out again to see if it will break out above it, but it's unable to break out above it, and it's most likely for it to go back into a downtrend any moment from now. Okay, you just need to wait for the sell trend signal before you jump into it. Okay, so this is very important. So we are most likely to have more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This went on downtrend for a very long time, but at this support zone it was unable to go beyond it. So right from here it started an uptrend and it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, guys. So the fourth asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. This was on uptrend for a very long time. It got to this region, pull back, still went back to break out above that, and of course it is still buying at the moment. It will be trying out the next resistance, or if it's unable to break out above that, then it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. So definitely it will go back on downtrend. So the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Like I said earlier on, doing my analysis on M5, that is 5-minute time frame, and of course you should take note of that. Okay, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, even though the movement have not been that smooth, but it is going on uptrend. It has not been able to break out above this resistance zone for a very long time, but it broke out above it around there to get another resistance zone right here, and of course it's pulled back a bit, and it will be trying it out again. So I mean, to see if it will be able to break out above it. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying, but for now it is pulling back, even though it is still going to be buying more. Okay, so that is very, very important. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.